Hello and namaste from the right of Asia, and it's me Shishir Magar. Welcome back to my YouTube video and my Facebook video. And today here I am showing a tutorial video of how to make name tag or name logo of Alight Motion logo. You have seen every videos of Alight Motion editors. They have different name tag logo. Here I representing in this screen. So one person said to me how to make the Alight Motion logo name, and I am here for you, just giving you tutorial and the solution. And let's start the video. And if you are new here, and go and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on the Facebook and my Instagram too. And let's begin the video. Here we go. At first we have to download or install the Alight Motion. After it, open the Alight Motion and go on the green icon, plus icon, and open the project. And after opening the project, you can choose one by one, or as you can, your choice. And I have chosen the one by one project and open it, and go on the plus icon and make the rectangle object by applying, and go to the edit shape and make the size, and X size always 289, or you can make your own way too. And I have made 289 size, and you can follow my step also. Make the upper size X size always 289 and Y size 228. You can follow my description also, my step also. Here we go, and go make the 228 y axis. And if your place is incorrect, then move and transfer and make the correct one. And after it, go on the borders and shadow place and open the stroke, and above of stroke there is a black box. Open it and make it on the white. Make the white color and back, and make the stroke 8 size and back, and go color and fill